Meaning of DVD.
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 DVDA. DVDA stands for DVD audio, which is a high-fidelity audio format that was developed to provide higher quality sound than standard audio CDs. DVD audio discs can contain up to 6 channels of high-resolution audio, and support for advanced features such as surround sound, multiple audio streams, and bonus content such as music videos. The format never gained widespread popularity due to its limited compatibility with standard CD and DVD players, as well as the rise of digital music streaming services.